atẹnu atilẹ̀ jẹ̀dẹ̀ nìyẹn ó tọrọ kú kò sí kó tó kì í tọrọ. Same way nígbà tí Davido ṣe bọ́ta ń ga yẹn lọ ìwọ yìí náà ló máa lọ lé ẹ̀ ló máa ṣe same way ìwọ yìí náà ló lọ fi ọmọ ṣe content. You are so evil. Ìkànnì ẹ́ mi ò tí ì rí. Of course there may be couple of industry here, we can't rule out the fact that people might just come after you or people might just do stuff to make you aggravate unnecessarily because they just feel like, but not you and me. Even the partner when you're talking any issue, maybe almost 4 years ago, 5 years ago, 6 years ago, 7 years ago, and you're like, what is the issue between me and you? Almost 25 years of knowing each other. We are not friends anyway. Don't each other. I can show you. Every time you are always calling me. Every time I give more friendly advice now. So why will it now be that you want to deny and we call my friend breakthrough life? Me okay? No, please, people don't get it wrong. Me can say but she could ni painful. But this is somebody to I am against all the advice that this lady, she is ugly, she is fat, she's not good. Don't use her in your movie. Don't use her in my movie. I was the first youngest producer. I've been producing movie since age 17. I'm a rich kid. But people should want industry. But I want a movie. I want to film nílé wa ni o. I want to film. I want to screenplay nílé wa. I want to can you say this is my room? This is every. I want to nílé upside down. My parents accommodate. All love. I want to film. Pop see me. I need hotel. Time of filmmakers man low. Time of DC. Time of art movie. My father buys equipment, all this equipment that people they marry all this filming equipment. Anytime I want to one guy and the highest way, my father bought it. We have cameras, we have lights. That was what father encouraged me. I love the job. Me, I don't brag. I'm a rich kid. My family rich. The name of we don't just own a house. We own empire streets. Ask we don't pay the Bakare close. Ask BSB Bakare Hotel. Ask where our properties are left and right. I don't brag. A lot of people might confuse my personality. Sibia beginning, but moment tiju. Only to me okay. Then sometimes I might not be able to operate the bitero back posse. He was even recent in the Mokoma try that fagidi. But you will see in my post. You will see in my meeting my post a picture to me new. Oh. You need to stop. Ito shela no yen is the height of it. Eniola, I made you. I made you. I'm not bragging. I made you. Anytime to share movie yen, it was that movie, that singular movie. It's just like Jennifer she breakthrough for Funke Akindele. That my movie she did breakthrough in life because you played the role from beginning to the end. And producers they'll see you differently. So the moment they see you differently, they started calling you. And you were appreciative. Till like 10, 7, 5, even as early as 5, 7 years ago. That you posted about celebrate your birthday. You've posted me to call a pistol by me now. Where this lady right here gave you your first major role. And you prayed. But Eniola Badmus send yes, you could react. And now message her later. Oh, it's still out of love. Eniola, I even sent my housewarming invitation party to you. Oh, tear so kokon. ó kàn ní no verse. The moment mo dẹ̀ rí no verse yẹn mo ti rí pé no eléyìí she's not mo dẹ̀ feel it. Then I was busy that time nǹkan tí mo ń ṣe pọ̀ so mi ò ríro. She didn't come, ayé ò yọlẹ̀. Then later, I think later it was the issue of my vehicle. And I just feel like, you know, it's not something to help me often. You know, they say, share for your page, you are not posting. You can testify to talk about posting in 3, 4, 5 days. I'm going to report sick. I'm going to report you're busy. So sometimes they are like material to post. That was why I posted it that time. Yeah. When I got my vehicle, that this is what I've always wanted, to match the color of my house. It was just like the rhyme, like something like rhyme that, oh, the color of your new house, and you know, you now bought vehicles to match color of the house. Oh, it's not something though. This same Eniola was the first person that came under my post to bully me. What is the meaning of that time? I realize I know how you people do now. They don't slay. Don't forget that they don't slay. Lori social media. Be the head. Other big head. They don't slay. Le man don't fake like and love. Not any. So I realized at that time, you people were posting other people's achievements. You didn't post it, me okay. But you want to give me congratulations. Why to just pay the only thing to she under post me ko wa she mockery of me, ko wa she pẹ̀lẹ́ o, ìyá láàrin lọ́ọ̀dù. Kí ló ń jẹ́ pẹ̀lẹ́ o, ìyá láàrin lọ́ọ̀dù? How now? How? I got invitation, want to send invitation. You want to send there, see? Exactly. Eniola, I just completed this house. Oh, yeah, control mo ti mention e fún ẹ rí pé àmọ́ ṣe kankan níbi bye. Ìwọ yìí ló down, ìwọ yìí ló ṣe. Ìwọ yìí náà ni mo wá said, but ìwọ ló wá come under my post wá sọ pẹ̀lẹ́ ìyá láàrin lọ́ọ̀dù. You even give me a call that to call. To sọ pé tó bá láìdé. Tí wá sílé ẹ̀mí ò ní jẹun o. Kí ló ń ṣe kí ni mo gbọ́ tó. Ó sọ pẹ̀lú bitterness. Àti gbà yẹn Eniola, you've been bullying me. You have been bullying me. The rest of your messages me gbọ́dọ̀ gbé bọ́ta. Ko lanu gbaga ń pè mí ní animalistic behavior. How now? Kí la gbé lọ, kí la bá lọ, kí la bá bọ̀, kí la gbé, kí la jù. Mi ò bẹ́ ṣeré pa, mi ò bẹ́ ṣe kíní, mi ò how? The same way, o lọ sórí page ẹni tó kí o like post lady yẹn rí. Very calm and like godly lady to go to old man godly by. And she's beautiful. Who did also that comment here? Maybe kò bá ti má bí Ọpẹ́yẹmí Ayọ̀lá nú tó yẹn. Tó bá jẹ́ pé ó ti ní àwọn couple of times that she has posted things. Like I said, oh, well done, to teti, or to see, to I go to a couple of times, to see, comment there, to see, rarely see, oh, Sherry. Then she man Sherry, the party will phone and you tell background, to much slay, yeah. You know, slay, yeah, you imagine. You want about in share, to about the syndicate, baby, I am Sunday. Not even that this stop by that, like by that, hotel, oh, my change machine. What's your machine? You have been seeing her post, I've been doing like this. She has posted so many wonderful, nice content, beautiful pictures. You know, see, oh, lovely, beautiful. Oh, regards to my kids. Oh, sorry. Until the day to jáde, tí kò lo irun àbí kọ̀kọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn mi tí ẹ mọ̀ bí kíní ẹ ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀. And that was when you went straight after I to bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní body shape me. Ìwọ tó jẹ́ pé fake body ni ẹ́. Your body is fake. Oh, fake. It's not. Oh, fake. Okay, do shape bikini photo shoot. You can't open your body. Your body is disgusting. Oh, what disgusting? Oh, fine. Eniola, ugly. Oh, ugly. Eniola, this is me without makeup. This is me. This is me without makeup. Filter go le cover ugliness here. Pẹ̀lú nǹkan tó ṣe fún mi lánàá yẹn. give me public embarrassment. The people now sending videos like I'm the bad one. Why do you want to damage my reputation? Why? Ìwọ àtẹnu àtìlẹ̀ jẹ̀dẹ̀ ni ẹ́, ó tọrọ kú. Kò sí kò tó kì í tọrọ. Same way, nígbà tí Davido ṣe bọ́ta ń gbà yẹn náà, ìwọ yìí náà ló máa lọ lé ẹ̀ ló máa ṣe. Same way, ìwọ yìí náà ló lọ fi ọmọlọmọ ṣe content. You are so evil. Ìkà ni ẹ́. Mi ò tí ì rí. Of course, there may be a couple of industry here. We can't rule out the fact that people might just come after you or people might just do stuffs.